Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. I want to thank all my new subscribers who have suddenly joined this channel, and of course my online friends who are always faithful to my channel and supporting me. Okay, you are expected to see how I make chia seeds gel. Chia seeds gel for my hair, chia seeds gel for my skin, chia seeds for eating, chia seeds for the win-win. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make the chia seeds gel. If you are interested in that, you've got to hang on, okay? So if you're new to this channel, you won't know that I always introduce my hair no matter what. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys. This is a 4-day-old wash and go, and that's it. Left it. I didn't retouch it or anything like that. But I'm loving it. It's kind of a nice little look, isn't it? I'm just going to talk you through exactly what I've been doing, and if you're wondering why chia seeds, I'm just going to give you some benefits because that's what I like to do. I like to give you information, okay? So some of the footage that I'm using is actually taken from the chia seeds mask. I'll leave the card up there. So the first thing you must do is always make sure that you buy really good quality chia seeds. So the ratio for this really simple chia seeds DIY is 1 part chia seeds to 4 parts water. Now if you're measuring with tablespoon, it'll be 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to 4 tablespoons of water, and in this case I'm using 1 cup of chia seeds, so it's 4 cup water. You get it, okay? Now immediately as soon as the water hits the seeds, it starts to swell up and it forms a gel-like substance around it. Here's an example of what the seed looks like once the gel is formed. It's a transparent gel that surrounds the chia seed, and as you can see the chia seed has actually swelled up quite some, because chia seeds are known to swell up to anything from 10 to 12 times their size in water. Now straight off the back of pouring in your water, you should be constantly stirring. They want to clump up and they want to form thick lumps, which that's not what you want. You don't want that, because the result of what we want is the chia seeds suspended in its own gel-like form completely within the water. Now one of the reasons why I love chia seeds is because not only does it have great benefits for the hair, it's really fantastic for your skin and for your body. It has the most amount, like a huge amount of health benefits, and that's why it's widely known as a superfood. Now the chia seeds puddings are really easy to make if you wanted to try them yourself. If you are on my Instagram stories, you would have seen a lot of my chia seeds puddings. It's an excellent source of antioxidants. It's so high in omega-3 and 6, which is really essential for heart health, and also it's really great at regulating the blood sugar levels. So for every tablespoon of chia seeds I put 4 part water or milk. So I usually use 2 tablespoons, so it's 8 part milk. And if it's too thick, go in there and put another tablespoon of water, but it really is up to me how thick I want the consistency of my pudding. It usually takes anything up to 5 to 7 minutes to make. I just lace it with some honey and some frozen fruits. It has a protein like flax seeds in it, but it's actually a plant-based protein. Don't worry, don't get scared, okay? You're not gonna have your hair dry up and fall off like rice water. So after my heavy stirring and leaving it for 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. You can now start to see the gel forming, and the seeds have become so much more hydrated, but it's not ready now, okay? It's not the time to be using it or extracting, because right now we need to leave it for a little longer, okay? So after stirring it a little bit more and leaving it for another 10 minutes, this is what it should look like. So as you can see, there is no way I'm gonna get those little seeds from the gel. It's not like flax seeds, like once you pour it and you just start to squeeze it through a nut bag. No, it's not going to happen. These seeds are incredibly difficult to extract. I mean, my biceps were requesting for a tea break. So the best way to extract is to warm it up very slightly, ever so slightly, just a little bit. We're not burning it, okay? The aim is not to boil the chia seeds because we don't want to run the risk of ruining the integrity of the nutrients. But the idea is to soften the gel so that it loosens its grip on the seed. So I'm just adding in some water and I'm just eyeballing it, and then we're just going to stir away. After a while you'll notice that it's starting to thicken up again just a little bit. So this is the time where you've got to roll up your sleeves and extract the gel from the seed. So I would highly recommend you get a nut bag. No sieve is going to do this. I don't care. There's nothing, okay? Yeah, and you have to do this when this is warm, because once it cools down, you ain't getting that gel off the seed, okay? It ain't happening, all right? Let the film go. I want you to see for yourself the hassle. having a small bowl doesn't work. Yeah. So I had to change that. So this is the amount I managed to get. Basically, it was a long process of 37 minutes just to get this. That's all I got, yeah. But it was actually enough for what I needed it for. This gludgy gel-like viscosity is what's gonna help your hair shine, helps hair loss, it will make your hair thicker, it stimulates the development of hair and increases elasticity. I mean, there's so much more, but you know, we'll just cut it there, okay? Okay guys, I hope you found that helpful in how to make the chia seeds gel, and also for some great ideas on how to ingest the chia seeds as well. Also, I'll leave down in the description bar and a card at the top how to make the chia seeds mask. Guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this kind of content, and share my video please, it really helps my channel. Okay guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Stay safe and God bless you. Bye.